A lot of work goes into making glasses that correct for your specific focusing errors. Another one of my videos shows how the lenses in glasses are made, but here we'll break down how glasses frames are made. Metal frames start as wire that's shaped by a computerized CNC wire bending machine. The wire is pulled through rollers, and software guides the machine to bend it into the exact shape of the frame. Grooves or notches may be added inside the rim to hold the lenses in place. At the open ends of the rim, small metal closure pieces called inserts are attached to keep the frame closed securely around the lenses. These inserts are then clamped into place using either tiny screws or resistance welding that fuses them together with a short burst of heat. And then similar steps are used for adding the hinge parts, which later will connect the arms, also called temples, the things that go over your ears. The bridge that goes over your nose is bent into shape using a press, then aligned and welded to the rims. If there's a brow bar above the bridge, it's cut to size, notched, and welded onto the frame. Nose pad arms, small hooks that hold those soft pads around your nose, are then soldered to the bridge. The temples are stamped with key information and fitted with hinges that will attach to the front of the frame. The ends of the temples are usually curved so that they rest securely over your ears, so those glasses don't fall off and go anywhere. They're shaped by a machine called a mechanical cam. A tracing machine measures the exact frame shape, and lenses are cut to size to fit in there. Lenses are usually already in stock for common eye prescriptions, but some lenses are custom made to correct for somebody's unique vision errors. The lenses are inserted to the frames and secured in place with screws. And finally, a device called a lensometer checks the prescription to make sure it's correct and that the glasses are going to work like how they're supposed to. And now your glasses are done and ready to help you see clearly.